Okay, we're back with Stardew Valley for day 2. So, let's load up day 2. Day 2 of Sweet Farm. I'm so excited. I haven't posted in the last couple of days, so I've had a lot of other stuff to do, but I'm back. And I'm probably going to be posting, this is probably going to be quite a long video, because I don't want to, I'm not going to be able to post really much in the next 2 weeks. So, yeah. But anyway, we have some mail. Hello there, just got back from a fishing trip. You should come down to the beach sometime. I've got something for you, Willy. Okay, I'll be right there. Once I've watered my plants. We just gotta water the plants, because, yeah. Water. Whoops. Whoops. Wait. Yes. Okay. Should we go straight down? Yeah. Let's go straight down to the beach. Nothing opens until 9 o'clock anyway, so. Hello, Shane. What? What do you want? Go away. Okay, jeez. Kinda rude. Okay. I'm aware the water is really loud. Ahoy there, miss. Heard there was it. In fact, is there any way to port? No. Oh, sorry, I didn't finish that line. Oh, no. I'm still trying to unwind from a month out on the salty seas. It was a big haul. I sold a lot of good fish. Finally saved enough to buy me a new rod. Hello. Here, I want you to have my old fishing rod. It's important to me that the art of fishing stays alive. And hey, maybe you'll buy something from the shop once in a while. There's a possibility I won't, because fishing is my worst enemy in this game. You received a bamboo pole. There's good water out here in the valley, all kinds of fish. Oh yeah, my shop's back open now, so come by if you need supplies. I'll also buy anything you catch. If it smells, it sells. Heh heh. That's what my old pappy used to say anyway. Okay. Exit. We don't like the water sound. It's too loud. But wait, because we actually can sell these. You've got some new ideas to sleep on. Yay. Okay, let's leave. Leave before we get deafened. It's also 8:50 now, so things should be opening. People, release thyself from thy humble abodes. Maru! I don't think I've met you yet. Oh, aren't you the one who just moved in? Yes. I'm Maru. I've been looking forward to meeting you. Oh, I'm sorry. I thought, with a small town like this, a new face can really alter the community dynamic. It's exciting. Okay, you can leave now. I want to check the bulletin. Help wanted. Bored. Could someone bring me Eel? Abby. 255. Oh my god. 255 gold on delivery. Abigail will be pleased. No, I'm good. Sorry, I just realized that by filming this, I'm missing tons of live streams right now that I wanted to watch. Whoopsies. I'll be fine. Oh, another one. What is actually in there? It's locked. Is it not open yet? Oh. Robin! Have you met everyone in the town yet? That sounds exhausting. No, I don't think I have. In fact, let's check now. Thanks for reminding me. We've not met a few people, actually. Oh, actually, that's quite a lot of people we haven't met yet. Am I correct that Demetrius should be here? Yes. Hello, Demetrius. Greetings, I'm Demetrius, local scientist and father. Thanks for introducing yourself. I'm studying the local plants and animals from my home laboratory. Have you met my daughter Maru? She's interested to meet you. I have met your daughter Maru. Your daughter Maru is very lovely, by the way. Inventory full? Oh, that's not good. What can we release? We need to... I want that. Nah, we're fine. Oh, yeah, I forgot about all this. I can't even pick anything up because my inventory's full. We're fine. Okay. Okay. So, 8 in there. Oh no! How do I release that? How do I get that out? I need the stone. Okay. Okay, we're fine. I was so scared for a second there. I thought I'd just got rid of my stone. What's the weather going to be like tomorrow? Welcome to Kozu 5, your #1 source for weather, news, and entertainment. And now, the weather forecast for tomorrow. It's going to rain all day tomorrow. Fantastic. I didn't want it to rain, but it also means that I don't have to water these guys, so... I mean, I guess that's a bonus for me. Oh my gosh. Destruction. 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 Oh yes, I can collect all this grass now. Oopsies. Oh yeah, we can put the music back on now. Fantastic. Everything just felt so quiet for a while there. Oh my gosh, this place is slowly clearing out and it's gonna look fabulous. It's gonna look fabulous. (4 p.m) It's not time for bed yet. And I'm very slowly, well, not slowly, very quickly losing energy. I might have to call it an early night again. If you saw the last video, you'd know that I went to bed at like 5. Oh no. You're starting to feel exhausted? Oh no. I'm gonna have to go to bed. Yes. I've got. Oh, I didn't sell. Level 1 foraging. +1 axe proficiency. Trees sometimes drop seeds. New crafting recipe, wild seeds. Yes. New crafting recipe, field snack. Okay. Okay. Yeah, bro. Get that money up. I want to be rich. Me want to be rich. Or no. Oh, no, I'm good. Gotta keep the house warm for the night. Give me a second. Sell. Yeah, just skip right across that, bro. Okay. Advertisement! Whoa! I keep finding cool stuff, but my backpack is full. Does this sound like you? Yeah, I actually did. Not that long ago, you know. Well, Pierre's got you covered. Yo, open 2 hours. 3 hours. Stop by Pierre's General Store today and check out our affordable size 24 backpack. See you soon. I don't have enough money. I beg to differ, I do not want that bag. I don't want it. Me no likey. Wow, butterflies. How are they not like being knocked down by the rain? I know that if I had wings and a single drop of rain hit me, I would be on the ground. Especially with how heavy that rain looks. That rain is going to kill me. If that slices me, I'm dead. Oh no, you're gonna have heard that. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Why am I getting notifications? They're not even important I've already had these notifications today. I don't need them. I don't need them. Stop sending me notifications. If you didn't hear them, that would be hilarious. Imagine. I'm gonna look so strange. So strange. It's only 9 o'clock in the morning and I've cleared out this entire section? That's mad. I'm just so efficient. Oh! Your axe isn't strong enough to break this stump. Oh, shucks. Actually, oh no. We're gonna need this coal later on. Fiber, I don't even know why you exist in this game. I probably will later and then realize that I've thrown you all away. That'd be funny. That'd be funny. Closed on Wednesdays? What kind of supermarket are you? Terrible. I'm gonna break the door down. No! Breaking the door down! Let me in! I shouldn't cut down trees in town, but it's just there. And it's annoying. Oh, hi Shane. Shane's hard at work. He doesn't seem interested in talking. Okay, you do your job. Join us, join us, thrive. So it's not join us, thrive, it's just join us. And then you thrive. They don't thrive right now without me. They need me. Welcome to JojaMart. How are you doing today? I don't believe we've met. I'm Morris, Joja Customer Satisfaction Representative. When you decide what you want... What? When you decide you want to become a Joja member, I'll be delighted to help you make your transition a joyous experience. We're currently in the process of setting up a brand new membership system for the customers. Please check back as... Yeah. I'm not that interested. Hi, I really don't want to like push you because you are like... I feel like they're more expensive here. Do we need more parsnips? I think we do. I think we do need more parsnips. I think we do. I think we need just Sebastian. Oh, you just moved in, right? Cool. Out of all the places you could live, you choose Pelican Town? Yeah, I do. I didn't choose, I was forced here. If I had a choice, I would move to like... I wouldn't move at all, I'd stay in my house. I just got a letter. I got a letter and then it was like, oh yeah, you're moving here now. Oops. Sorry. It was like, you're here now. Yes. Oh, clay. Guess we'll just have to do more breaking. Oops. Oops. I actually, like... Whoa. Whoa. You found a geode. The local blacksmith can break it open for you. Who knows what might be hidden inside? Imagine it's just more stone. Just go to the blacksmith and it's like, oh yeah, can you open this up for me? I really want to know what's inside. And it's like, oh yeah, here, have some stone. Anyway, since I have nothing else to do, I think I'm probably gonna end it here. So, hello. Oh, we're really up close and personal here. Yeah, if you enjoyed. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed. I enjoy playing this game. It's a really good game. It's just really chill. So, yeah, if you enjoyed, just like, keep in tuned. I'll post day 4 or whatever next. So, thanks for watching. Bye.